Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while playing the game Borderlands 4. You got the error of directx12 is not supported. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to head over to the library of the Steam, right click on the game and go to its properties. Now right in the general tab, you will find the option of launch options. Whatever is written over here, just delete it and type in -dx11. After doing so, close it. Nextly is make sure your GPU drivers are up to date, and to do so, open up your web browser. If you have an AMD website, here is the website of the AMD. Type in the details of your GPU right over here. For example, at my end, it is RX 5500M. Select your GPU and click on the option search to find the relevant drivers. Now expand depending on the type of Windows you have and click on this auto detect and install software by clicking on this download link. Once it is downloaded, install and launch it to install the latest drivers of your GPU. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, right over here in the manual search, type in the details of your GPU and click on the option start search to start finding the relevant drivers for your GPU. Once the drivers are available, you need to download the latest GameForce Game Ready drivers with version 581.89. Click on the option Get Download and here is the download now link. Click on it, save them into your PC and install them. After doing so, relaunch your game and the issue of directx 12 is not supported will be completely fixed. If this failed to work out, click on Start menu and type in DXDIAG and click on the option DXDIAG to start scanning your display drivers. Once the report is available, click on the option display. Right over here, you will find the option of feature level 12, 11 or whatever the version you have. If you have a version 12_0 or 11, then the game is not supported and you need to force the game to run it into DX11. And to do so, again open up your web browser and you need to download two different tools. Here is the first link, get it from the description of this video and click on the link to download this tool into your PC. Here is the second link, again scroll down and click on the very first link to download these files into a system. Once both the files are downloaded, you need to right click on it and choose the option open with WinRAR. Now right over here open X64 and you will find these two files. Right click and choose the option copy files to clipboard. You need to paste this file right into the game directory. And to open the game directory, go to the Steam, right click on your game, choose option manage and you will find the option of browse local files. After clicking on the browse local files, you need to open Borderlands 4, O Games, Binaries, Win64. And after opening Win64 folder, paste these two files right over there. And after downloading the second file also, again open with WinRAR and you need to do the same. Open X64, copy all these 4 or 5 files and then paste right in the directory of the Borderlands game. After pasting the files into a directory, relaunch your game and the issue will be completely fixed. And if issue is still not resolved, the only reason you are not able to play the game is because your GPU is not supported by the game and you need to upgrade your GPU to play the game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.